Instructions to access contact address. Tap the screen when prompted and speak the contact name after the beep.
Natural History Museum. Hi, I'm Suryansh Saxena. I'm from India, and I'm doing my undergrad studies at Delhi Technological University. I'm here working with Dr. Aaron Steinfeld and Dr. Bernine Diaz on an Android app for outdoor navigation for blind and visually impaired users. And with respect to the population, there's not enough tools for facilitating independent outdoor navigation. So my motivation for this project was basically to design an application which is very accessible to a larger population for independent outdoor navigation, giving the users very accurate real-time information about the environment, so they don't need any external hardware or any infrastructure to depend upon. So this summer, I was basically designing the main architecture for the NavPal outdoor application. My major aims was to develop an interface for the blind and visually impaired users to interact with the application, then get the localization, the route planning, and then overall implementing the navigation. In this process, we had to ping multiple servers online, as well as get data from other trusted users for getting this navigation done. The main NavPal wrapper is the main source of which is interacting with the other modules for facilitating the navigation. We have implemented certain tricks and tips so that the blind and the visually impaired users don't really have to physically type in information, so they can just simply speak in the name of the destination where they want to go, and we parse the address automatically. The other things that we have implemented is breadcrumb approach, which is very similar to the story of Hansel and Gretel, where they drop breadcrumbs to retrace their route if they're traveling on a similar or familiar route. Overall, this whole thing has been implemented on a Linux 3 architecture of an Android system. The system implements this using the haptic and the speech interface, which is voice recognition, along with gestures. So with this program, I also got the chance for doing user testing with actual blind and visually impaired users to get the actual sense of how the technology works and refining the technology according to their needs. RISS is by far, in my opinion, one of the best programs we have around. It gives the students opportunity to interact with very high senior research faculty members here at the Robotics Institute and give that real-time experience of research and robotics together. The other thing that I liked about RI is it's very practical. We get to solve problems upon immediate things which are required in the industry or in the society, making our contribution very meaningful. It also helped me understand a lot about how researching is done and different components attached to researching. For example, making posters, which is one of the major components, drafting papers, and that was one of the very good experiences. After having the RISS experience, I definitely look forward to get admitted into the grad school.